The quest for truth is a recurring theme throughout the history of humanity, and the Bible, one of the most influential religious texts in the world, provides profound guidance on how to practice truth in our lives. Truth, according to the biblical scriptures, is not just an abstract idea but a principle that shapes our relationships, our actions, and our character. In this text, we will explore the practice of truth according to the Bible, emphasizing how this teaching can guide us toward integrity and virtuous living. 1. Truth as the foundation of faith. The Bible teaches that God is the supreme source of truth and that His Word is truth itself. In the book of John 14 verse 6, Jesus Christ declares, "I am the way, the truth, and the life." This implies that truth is an essential foundation of the Christian faith. The practice of truth begins with belief in God and His Word as sources of guidance and moral discernment. 2. Truth in relationships. The Bible emphasizes the importance of honesty and sincerity in interpersonal relationships. In Ephesians 4 verse 25, we read, "Therefore each of you must put off falsehood and speak truthfully to your neighbor, for we are all members of one body." This reminds us that the practice of truth is intrinsically linked to unity and harmony in communities. 3. Truth is authenticity. The Bible invites us to be authentic in our words and actions. In Matthew 5 verse 37, Jesus instructs, "Let your yes be yes, and your no, no. Anything more than this comes from the evil one." This means that we should be straightforward and honest in our promises and commitments, avoiding duplicity and manipulation. 4. Truth in the pursuit of knowledge. The search for truth is not limited to the spiritual realm but also extends to the pursuit of knowledge. The Bible encourages the pursuit of wisdom and understanding. In Proverbs 2 verse 6, we read, "For the Lord gives wisdom, from His mouth come knowledge and understanding." This implies that truth should be sought with diligence and humility, never ceasing to learn and grow. 5. Truth as the path to freedom. Jesus proclaimed in John 8 verse 32, "And you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free." This shows us that practicing truth not only makes us better people but also liberates us from the bonds of falsehood, deception, and guilt. Truth empowers us to live authentic and fulfilling lives. 6. Truth as a refuge in times of doubt. In moments of doubt and uncertainty, the Bible invites us to trust in God's truth. Psalm 25 verse 5 declares, "Lead me in your truth and teach me, for you are the God of my salvation." This means that God's truth can be a safe refuge and a light amidst the darkness of confusion and uncertainty. In summary, the practice of truth according to the Bible is a deep commitment to living in accordance with divine principles of honesty, authenticity, and integrity. It permeates all aspects of our lives, from our relationships to our pursuit of knowledge and wisdom. By following the Bible's teachings on truth, we can become more upright and compassionate individuals, reflecting the light of divine truth in a world often shrouded in shadows. I hope what was said in this video has been enriching for you. If you liked the content and would like to receive more updates, don't forget to give this video a like to receive our daily videos. Thank you very much for watching up to this point, and until the next video,